What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Doing another unboxing. Of course, shoes. That's what we do. We do unboxings on this channel. Shoes. I'm going, and sometimes it's not my shoes, you know? Sometimes it's not mine, and sometimes I like it, but, you know, real quick one. See the Nike. See, so, smaller box. Should give you the idea that may not be my shoes. I'm a 9.5 normally, but again, some of my favorite shoes in high school that I don't have a chance to wear or not recently, but you know, wow, boom. So we talking about dunk lows, and dunk lows, mid highs, whatever. But lows are actually the ones I used to be able to catch and like. This is a cool one because I don't know if it glows in the dark or not. Again, like the previous ones, the laces are unique. Has some beads on there, as you can see. I don't know if those are glow in the dark or not. You know, standard white leathers plus light green. They're called barely ghost green. So I don't know what's behind the name actually. But even in the tongue, whoa, about to fall right there. All right, even in the tongue, whoa, okay, all right. About to lose the camera, y'all. Man, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. So we film on, y'all. This is what we film on. So yeah. Again, just trying to show y'all just on the tongue right there, some of the detail. If I can get it in focus. All right there, it's the same as kind of lighter than this color. I don't even know what you call that, like a peach or light pink or something like that. You got the white in there, you got the, you know, the kind of like light green, the source, the bottom, I don't like that. You see how I fit that in my hand, like I fit most of my shoes in my hand like that. But just a little dope colorway, light and subtle, and you could do something with it. You know, I think, you know, it gives me Easter vibes and all that. But hey, I think it's something people will like. Keep in mind that yeah, like I get some of these sizes, you know, maybe if my wife wanted them or something like that, man. She can grab them, you know. She doesn't, you know. Sometimes you can't get these. It's not like it's abracadabra, but yeah. But like this size, it's, you know, she wanted. But hey, you know, this might go for the streets, you know. Yeah, you know, not a bad colorway. Nice shoes, but yeah, just a real quick unboxing. Might go for the streets. Nice detail. I can't see any imperfections or, you know, things I can see, but yeah, yeah, dunk lows. I'm gonna catch the dunks that I want. When I catch them, I'm gonna go crazy. We're gonna do a special, y'all. So it might be not 3 minutes or whatever. It might be 20, 30 minutes. On this joint. So, but anyway, either way, let's go. You know, Nike dunk lows. I did a good job. And again, I'll see y'all next time. Glad the camera didn't fall. I'm gonna check y'all out. Long live D-Mac.